Welcome back to our YouTube channel LT Design 97. In today's video, we will learn about some AI tools for chatbot support. What's special is that it's free and effective for users by integrating advanced API models such as Chat GPT4o, Claude, Gemini, Copilot AI. One of the most trusted advanced AI assistant tools today. The AI platform I want to introduce to you is called Jarvis. Today we will learn together how to register for a Jarvis account and use it for free with the highest package. As you can see, this is the home page of Jarvis. Now let's go through it to find out some information about it. With Jarvis we can see that there are many functions and AI models integrated. The special thing is that it is free for 1 month. Now let's see what specifically Jarvis packages will bring us. I will go to Jarvis's service package pricing section to see that information. So here is the detailed price list of Jarvis. You see the special thing here is 1 month free with the $79 package. Rarely has an AI platform let us use a premium package for such a long time. Let's see the details of the benefits of the service packages we will receive. It's great that Jarvis is integrated with high-end AI models like Chat GPT4, Gemini Pro and more. There are many advanced AI functions that are essential for our daily work. Here we have a comparison and contrast table between Jarvis and Chat GPT. At first glance, we can easily recognize the differences and advantages of Jarvis. In the future, some other advanced functions will be integrated and updated on Jarvis. It's great that Jarvis is free right now, so what are you waiting for? Sign up now. With a 1-month trial period, you can have a good experience. This is a great benefit that Jarvis brings to us. You can create more accounts if you have higher needs. Now I will guide you to register for Jarvis Premium package and use it for free. I will first register a new Jarvis account. You can register Jarvis with your personal email or register directly with your linked Google account. Here I will try to register with personal email. After you have successfully registered an account, we will see a Jarvis account management page. So we have successfully registered an account. The next step is to upgrade to Premium Jarvis AI worth $79 for free. I will select the package registration section. Please pay attention and practice with me. I will choose the $79 package. So you will see we will have 30 days of free use of the premium package worth $79 without any cost. Your job is to fill in all the payment information. Please use a payment card with no money left in the card to register. So we have successfully registered for the $79 package without any cost for only $0. Isn't that great? Return to Jarvis account management page. Next step is you will need to install the Jarvis Chrome extension on your browser to use Jarvis. We will click Install to lead to the Jarvis Chrome extension installation page. I will proceed to install the Jarvis Chrome extension. So we have finished installing the Jarvis Chrome extensions. Next I will proceed to activate the Jarvis Chrome extension. We will click on Start Free Trial. Now you will see Jarvis Pro has been activated. To know if Jarvis Pro is activated, we will check the unlimited icon here. So you have been upgraded to unlimited plan. You can also check your account information here. So we have completed all the next installation steps. Let's experience AI technology on the Jarvis platform. We see here that there are high-end AI models integrated such as Chat GPT4o, Claude, Gemini, Copilot AI. How wonderful! Now please experience them with me. So, I have just guided and introduced you to Jarvis, a very good AI platform for your work. Hope that with Jarvis you will be more effective in your work. Thank you for watching my video up to this point. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share to help me. See you in the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.